Let's go for a little boat ride again and walk through the old town. I think it's a nice day to do that. It's almost blue sky again. So, yeah, put on some sunblock and let's go. Full speed on a canal in Bangkok. That's another wave. That over there is the fortress. You can't enter, unfortunately. So we are going to follow this canal by the road it is for a bit. See what we can find on the way. A little bit narrow here. I will make it. The weather here, I have to be really careful where I'm going. The weather here has been absolutely amazing the last few days here. Almost no cloud in the sky, as you can see now. Still the same weather, look. Absolutely amazing. Which makes for a nice day walk. I'm not in a hurry today, that's good. So let's see what we encounter. This is the older part of town. City of Bangkok. It's mainly trade here and a fire station though. A lot of woodworking here. That might also be the reason the fire station is here, of course. In another video I might have published, or might not have published yet, we'll bring a visit to the Golden Mount Temple, which is right over there on the left side. It's called Golden Mount because, well, it's golden. There is a number of restaurants here, coffee shops. So if you roll out of the temple, you can easily hop over and have a cold brew, maybe. Nice coffee. That's one, but that one looks really quiet. Let's make our way south, roughly. Oh look, that's really nice. It's warmer than it was the last few days. At least looks like it, feels like it. Maybe because there's less wind. Okay, I have a red light, so I want to enjoy that building for a bit. Following the main road here for a bit, but I'll take the next one left again. I love it how they attach the higher voltage wires over here and just on the buildings. Apparently that works. The building is not in use, but look at the wooden revolving door, the bent glasswork, and mosaic on the floor. This is that's pretty old. It's really nice. Not sure what it was. This building looks really old, but it's a metro station. Worship for good health and fortune. Shrine of the Holy Brahma. The hotel where the shrine is on, yeah, that one for good luck, is closed. Compared to 8 months ago when I was here as well, things have improved. A lot of tourists are back again. A lot of shops here, this little market area. This is so old. This is an old cookery. Wow. Those are very small cherry tomatoes. Oh, lots of sweets. It's a mixed bag market here. They sell clothing, bags, snacks, candy. And there's more. This is the Ong Ang Walking Street, as it's called today, nowadays. Look, beautiful canal, completely renovated. I think you have to see this at night though, because this looks nice, but I think it looks better early in the evening. Look at the buildings over there. Oh, it's air conditioned. Nice. Open air though, but some shops have air conditioning. Fresh pineapple. One bag is 20, which is about $50, half a euro. People actually stop here to lap some pedestrians cross. This is the original market area, I think. Pretty cool in here as well. Motorcycles are allowed. Many people here still wear masks, and you'll see that most foreign tourists don't, because it's no obligation to do so, it's a recommendation. I've stopped wearing it as well. Okay, we can go 3 ways here. We stay inside for a bit. Let's go outside. Ooh, the quietness here is pretty amazing all of a sudden. White cars behind me, yeah. There she goes. I think you can walk that way. Let's give it a try. Oh. There's an old building, that yellow one with the blue window. What's the name? I'm not sure. And then there is a office of the Bangkok Bank. And then you have a wooden building right on the corner here, look. How amazing that it manages to last time like that. Behind the cables, oh, the cables are there and the pigeons. These buildings look really amazing. I'm sure they are over a century old. And they are still standing. Oh, this is really nice. Well-maintained building of a marketing company. I think it's a trade organization. Herbs and spices. Spices mostly. Dried mushrooms. Wow, look. Dried fruits. Ooh, that smells really good. Someone's cooking over here. That sign there says old building at Tanon Songwat. And yeah, it is. It's an old building. And probably they have the street name as well, correct as well. They don't make it like that anymore, that's for sure. No, thank you. I have to walk here for a bit. It's a little bit narrow. Oh yeah. Then, many of the elephants. I fought here before. That was a few months ago, and I probably came from the other direction. I don't think we can actually walk here, but we can have a quick look. That's a dead end, but the building is amazing. Right in front of us is another huge temple. Well, it is Thailand, so you'll find a lot of them, of course. Shouldn't have crossed the street, it's really hot now. These huge advertisements, I think are for elections. Rough guess. Here is a Chinatown hotel. That looks kind of shabby, but hey. Chinatown area here. One bigger street and one alleyway. Looks quite cozy. Maybe they have something I can sit down. Motorcycles, they're everywhere here. Most shops are closed, or I'm at the back. That's also possible. Or it's a dead end. Also possible. Probably not though. It looks really nice here. One Thai baht for 1.5 liter bottle of water. Not sure where we end up though. Oh, still Chinatown. This looks like the Market Street earlier, but then more quiet. Traffic jam. have a lot of fake goods again, so this must be the more touristy area. It's quite nice here actually, pretty cool.
ฮะไม่ใช่มึงเหรอ
Which one to go? Go straight. I guess eventually we'll end up at that Ong Ang River side again. We'll find out soon. The strawberries here are sold half raw. Really colorful here. So much market here. So many little shops. And the main road again. This looks like a part of Hong Kong, right? Kinds of fresh fruits here. Looks really nice. And drinks. Oh, can I have one? Thank you. That's a passion fruit drink. Everything fresh. A lot of strawberries that aren't really ripe yet. I also see cherries. Those are pretty rare in Indonesia. That wasn't too big of a drink, but it's really fresh. Fried squids. It's a little temple. I'm not going inside, but it's nice. We've made a little tour through Chinatown here in Bangkok, and it's getting really hot now, hotter than it was in the last few days. So I'll catch up with you later in a few hours once the weather has cooled off a bit.